Welcome back, everybody, to a new weather video. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe if you want more of these videos. And let's get right into this video. So we have quite a few of weather problems that we're going to be dealing with today. So here we go. So we do have ongoing fire weather across most of Georgia, fire weather across Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, New Mexico, fire weather across Nebraska and Wyoming. We do have winter weather watches. Yeah, or winter storm watch. Excuse me. Winter storm watches. We have we have ongoing river river floods, dams about to break, stuff like that. We have a flash flood watch out for here. We have a little uh freeze warning going on there. We have some windy conditions going on here. More windy conditions going on here. We do have some strong thunderstorms off the coast around North Carolina today because of the storm system as it's leaving. So you got that going on. But with that low pressure system, it's bringing in all this cold air down. So right in here, we do have ongoing uh freeze warnings. So if I were you, if you didn't do it last night, I would definitely do it tonight because it's supposed to be even more colder tonight. If I were you, I would put your plants inside or cover them or do something, because if you don't, this cold weather will kill them. So, and then right down to the south of there, we have freeze watches, and then the lighter blue here is oh, hang on. Right, this lighter blue that you see here is frost advisories, and then right in here and right through here is freeze watches. So we're still not out of the cold yet. We're still dealing with that. So, but other than that, right now the weather looks phenomenal. It feels nice. So during the day, we feel comfortable. Just at night, it's gonna be very very cold. So we're gonna go to severe weather because we do have fire risk to talk about and severe weather to talk about because we're not over yet. So today, if you're across the critical fire danger today, please avoid burning at all costs. If you have trailer chains or anything, make sure you lift those up from the road, because if the chains of the trailer drag across the road, it can spark and cause a major an out of control wildfire very quickly. And then we have an elevated fire risk right here today, and an elevated fire risk across here, as we're still dealing with very dry air and very low dew points. So this is tomorrow. We do have an elevated risk for fire danger tomorrow across here, more across here, and right across here. This right here is dry thunderstorms. So it's not going to be widespread, but if a storm does pop up, it's not gonna drop moisture, and it will have that dry lightning. And when that lightning hits the ground, it can spark a wildfire. So there is if there's a storm right in here, I would be watching out for your surroundings, watching where that lightning strikes to make sure that no fires get started. So, in which that is fortunate. So, uh, in the next 5 days, we do have a risk of fire danger across here. Day 5, because it goes from day 3 to day 8. So we do have a fire danger upcoming across here. So yeah. And then we do have, it looks like a fire danger across Florida. Dry thunderstorms and low. Okay, so we could have some dry thunderstorms across Florida. 40% chance of that happening. So, that's tomorrow. Or that's tomorrow. And then we do have more areas. We have a 70% chance of seeing dry thunderstorms and a 40% of seeing dry thunderstorms by what this is showing, I guess. So, more. And then the probability is too low for these areas. So yeah, that's your severe weather, or that's your fire risk there. And then today we are seeing thunderstorms across Texas and New Mexico today. More thunderstorms up here today. Thunderstorm risk. More thunderstorm risk today. I would say the reason why they didn't put a marginal risk, because it would be really small risk and it's probably not even enough to even do it. More regular thunderstorms across there today. And then tomorrow we have more thunderstorms across Utah, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, this area, and more regular thunderstorms across Texas, and another spot down in Florida for tomorrow. So we got that going on. And then we could get thunderstorms for Tuesday across here, across Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, and Michigan across there. And we have another regular thunderstorm risk, a little bit of Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Texas, and regular thunderstorms across the west coast here in Washington, Oregon, California, a little bit of Montana, and Idaho. So that's your risk. So that's all further it goes for that. But we do have a day 5 outlook for severe weather across this general area, which is a very which we are watching, because this right here is considered a slight risk. We have slight risk for severe weather for Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. We have to watch these three. We have to watch this area over the next few days. All hazards are on the table for this, which it is a 15% for right now. No upgrades have been issued yet, and then we do have this new upgraded severe weather risk for Missouri, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Tennessee. And this could get extended, push loaded this way, or it could push that way. We don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. But for this risk, all hazards are on the table. I have a feeling that this could get expanded. I have a feeling it's probably going to look something more like that. But we're only on day 5 right now. But yeah, we do have a big severe weather event coming up over the next few days that we'll have to keep an eye out for. So yeah. So here we go. So here's satellite imagery that is shown right now. We do have that big giant storm system that's going to be coming in here with that a flow coming in through California here with all this moisture curling around. So we're gonna have a big time storm system over here But we do have this ongoing storm system here that's slowly pushing out. So so yeah. So yeah, there's that. But like I said, we were watching this area for severe weather, and then we're watching this area for severe weather too over the next few days, because when we get these low pressure systems next week, it won't be going like this. It won't be going like that. It will be taking tracks like this, like that, like that, which will keep the severe weather around longer than normal storm systems. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. So yeah. So we're gonna go on the models, triple HR. We're gonna go to the 12Z because that shows the longer runs. I want full United States, or will it not let me? Looks like it won't let me. That sucks. Let's see here. All right, there we go. So, like I said, we have this upcoming storm here, and we do have this area right here, our old storm system with cold air blowing through right now. So we continue out. We're going to see constant thunderstorms across here and pop up showers and thunderstorms here, and that ongoing atmospheric river moving on into to California. So, but as we get into your Tuesday, we do see that showers and thunderstorms are possible with ongoing showers and our next storm system now coming in here. So Thursday we're gonna have to keep an eye out for severe weather. I don't know if it's actually gonna happen or not, but there's a chance that it could happen. Then we go into your Friday, a clear indication that we could have severe weather in this general area with your low pressure system being right there, which means your warm fronts like that, and your cold fronts like that. So eventually we do get a squall line developing right there. We do that, and then we will see possible severe weather right there for your Saturday. Then Sunday, it will move down here to Dixie Alley. So, and then you got your Monday. No. Your Monday showing something over here again. So, I'm not going to go all the way. I'm not going to go past 200 hours because that 200 hours beyond it's just not there. So, fairy tale land. So yeah. So here we go. We got the European model. We're going to show you the European model as we currently have, obviously, our ongoing storm system, low pressure up here with our whole front here and our more front like that. So we'll continue to push that out. I don't expect no severe weather down here. I think it's just going to be some regular old heavy thunderstorms. Right down here, we could see some heavy thunderstorms, heavy rain shower thunderstorms down there too. And then we could see our atmospheric river start to pull in that moisture starting Monday. Yeah, Monday, yeah, Tuesday. Uh, we can see some afternoon thunderstorms pop up right in here. Depends on where this wants to go. And then we're still dealing with ongoing rain showers, thunderstorms across there. Dealing with our atmospheric river pulling on in uh, for that. And then we do eventually see our low pressure system get super strong. And I'm not ruling out right in here we could see very, very windy conditions, because the closer these isobars are, the more windier and like compacted it gets. And I don't rule out seeing severe weather right here. There's a noticeable indication for that too. And then with this storm system being right here, we could see some rain showers up in Maine here for your Thursday. Ooh. Uh, and then right here, we do see our severe weather ignite while we're dealing with right back here is some snow. The back end with your low pressure system being right here, and we still could see very windy conditions across here. So, and right here is an indication that we could see small tornado outbreak. Depends on where these supercells want to fire off at. So it eventually turns into a nasty squall line across here as it expands, which we do see that the isobars right here will continue to be really, really compact, indicating that we could have very, very strong winds with this a very compact uh, low pressure system, which your warm front be like that, and your cold front would be like somewhere like that. So, yeah, and then we may see severe weather right across here. Um, I it might even go something like that. But we're still 150 hours from that. So, and it shows that April 26th shows big time severe weather outbreak across here, which is very interesting. And then your Monday shows a more severe weather right in here. So, and then we're at the 2 hour mark, which we're not gonna go beyond past there. So yeah, we have some big time severe weather upcoming. We have cooler weather right now, calm weather right now, but starting I would say starting Wednesday, which we'll have to wait and see what the National Weather Service wants to put this, but we have some severe weather across here, and then we could have severe weather across here, which I'm feeling will probably extend it somewhere like that because of the damaging winds. The damaging winds is going to be more prevalent in this general area. Well, we could have a big tornado outbreak possible right there. So we're gonna have nonstop several days of severe weather starting Wednesday, going through all of next week. So stay tuned to the weather because we will be streaming Wednesday for the severe weather. Don't know time yet. Depends if we get any storms or not. If we don't get no storms, I'm not gonna bother to stream. But for right now, we will stream. So if you haven't yet, if you want these important weather forecast videos every day, please hit that subscribe button. Please like, please comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow for the severe weather, or for another new weather video. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Peace.